my latest chicken tractor. I believe it's built out of, I think I counted 7 2x4's. That's what it took to construct this one, and a 8-foot piece of steel. I got these wheels back here, Harbor Freight. This lid opens up. Got a piece of rope right there that holds it. Down here, get the other side here, you got your roost right there. This is good for 2 chickens. Down here you have your nesting box. I think it's like a 3-gallon bucket. Had some old wood that I screwed across the top right there. What's that? I built this little handles. So I got 2 handles right here. Just took them off some old 5-gallon buckets that were trash. Drilled a hole through each one. Tied a handle on it. This little right here. This will open up right there, and then you got your food and your water right there on the door. Honestly, probably took about 15 hours, which is crazy, but a lot more work than it seems. So you got this floor down here, or this wire, so that things can't get under. We got predators out here that can dig under that pretty easy, and dogs. 7 2x4 chicken coop, or chicken tractor. 60% of the time, it works every time.